Hey everyone, it's Dingo here. So, yeah, it's it's early. As soon as I woke up, I was like, you know what? Let's do a little project, because why not, right? Um, and there's some roofers going on, so they're hammering away. So I'm awake. I'm awake anyways. So let's do it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at a Python Magic 8 Ball. So I got two different versions. The first one's gonna be the simple, lengthed out, explained version of it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to switch that over. I'm going to get you pause the video, and I'm going to get you guys a challenge trying to create that into a smaller version, and then we'll do that together. So we'll take a look at what we're looking at here. So the first one we're going to be looking at is this one here. Not much to it, so it should be a fairly easy one to go through. I'm gonna go. We'll try running this and see what happens. So, ask the Magic 8 Ball a question. Okay, well let's answer an easy one. Trudy, not scratching, girl. Well, let's see. Will I get married? Concentrate and ask again. Okay. Will I get married? You may rely on it. I'm not really sure what that means, but I know the Magic 8 Ball says it, so at least we know it works. And because these were our random options to choose from. So on this, we'll close this out, and now of course we'll build our game from scratch. So you can open up a folder on your desktop screen, just to make it easy to find stuff. And we'll just name this Pi 8 Ball. Oop, what am I doing here? 8 Ball. Okay, we'll drag that folder to here so we can get that file started. Now, when we open up our file, it doesn't matter what you call it. Like always, you can call it main, you can call it an 8 Ball, whatever. I like to call my stuff 8 Ball. It's called 8 Ball PY. And now, of course, we want to import our modules. So import sys and import random. And of course, it helps when you move things around. Goodness. Import random. Okay, and now we want our answer to equal true. So A and S answer is equal to true. And now we can work on our loop. So we can do while ans is true. We can have it ask our question. Question is equal to the input. Oop. Double quote. Ask the Magic 8 Ball question. Press enter to submit. And we'll space it out. Okay, now we asked our question. But of course, if the answer is equal to random dot random between options of 1 and 8, we have to have our 8 Ball reply back to us. So if the question is equal to just the quote marks, which is nothing, the sys will exit the loop. And of course, I had to go and mess that up. There we go. So now, elif answer should be equal to 1. We'll have it print, of course, our first question answer, and that is it is certain. Now, of course, we're going to have to do this 8 more times. So what we can do is we can just copy. And I'll big screen this. I don't know why I have such a bad habit with that. And we'll enter, we'll back tab, we'll paste. And we'll do this 8 times just so we can have all those in there. No, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope, 2 more times. And of course, we could change our values. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and of course we gotta change our questions or our answers, I guess, because you don't want it to all be the same, right? Outlook is good. You may rely on it. Of course. Oh, ask again later. And I shouldn't have capital L. Make a proper sentence. And then of course we'll back that off. And we want concentrate and ask again. Apply hazy. Try again. My reply is no. And my sources say no. Okay. So now we have put in all our possible answers that the 8-ball can give us after asking our initial question. So now that's done. So we can initialize this by running without debugging, and it should work. Okay, so let's ask question. Will I get married? Source says no. Will I take the dog for a walk today? Play hazy, try again. I will definitely be. It's not raining. We'll be going for a walk. She's a little much scratchers today. It's probably warm in the house. We'll have to turn on the AC. We'll have to turn on the AC, won't we, Trudes? Okay. So now that we finished this, I want you to pause the video. I want you to go through, and I want you to try to make this without the e-lifts. So do it now. I'll stay right here. Okay, so now that you did it, you either successful or you weren't. But either way, we're gonna go through one of the possible ranges of options that you could make it this with. So of course, we'll I'm gonna close this editor. You probably want to close folder. Closing folder works either way. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna build a new one here. We could do it right on top of that file if we wanted to, but just so we have the whole 2 separate things, and we'll look at them side by side. We're gonna call this one pi 8 ball 2. Okay, so now we're gonna throw this over into our Visual Studio Code. We're gonna open it up, get rid of this, get started. We'll add our file member.py to make that a Python file. So we'll call this one 8ball2.py. Why not? And all we're gonna do for this is it's a lot simpler, a lot shorter. We're gonna import our random module. Oop. Our random, and then we're gonna make our never-ending loop. So while 1 is equal to 1, oop, that's 2. We will prompt for a question. Question is equal to the input. Ask the 8-ball question. Enter to submit. Okay. Oop. There's no E in input, by the way. Okay. So now we did that. But if not question, we can have it break. Other than that, we want it to print a random dot choice and then what we can do for this is we can put all our inputs from the other app, which is great. So I'm just going to copy and paste them from the file we just had. Copy. Of course, I'm not going to need these. And all we're going to do for these, since we're adding our options, is we're just going to add commas onto it, and then of course put in all the other pieces, all the other possible answers. This is just, me just copy and pasting is just going to speed it up a little bit. And of course you can go through and type it out. But if you go to the Discord link in the bottom here, it will take you to this file anyways, and then you will just have it. It's gonna take me a minute here. We'll get all these in, I swear. It won't take that long. I only got 3 left now. Yeah, it's gonna start getting long here. Okay, so this will be the last one we gotta put in. Okay, now we have our all 8 options in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to AND it, and we'll add our double quote and no, what was it? Double quote. We only need one double quote, so we'll double quote slash it, wrong slash, backslash, N. Yes. And of course we have our bracket there. Okay, so that's telling me it's wrong. So it must be we're missing a bracket somewhere. Oh, I think we need 2 here, and that's what the problem was. Yeah, that is what the problem was. That's the problem, but I have long lines of code. Okay, so when we print the random choice, it'll give us these are the choices. And okay, so now let's go back over here so you can see everything, and we'll run this smaller version and see if we get the same thing. Cause why not? Okay, ask the 8-ball a question. Will I walk the door? That look is good. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, ask the 8-ball a question. Okay, well, will I get married? Ask again later. Oh well, but we did it. Congratulations. We've built a long, simple version. Well, I don't know. It depends how you define simple. With like different functions and stuff, you can make it shorter, but simplified, I guess, is what we went for. So we started out by making a magic 8-ball. We attempted together to do the shorter form, and it worked. We created a Magic 8-Ball a second time, so you get 2 versions of a Python Magic 8-Ball in your pocket. Congratulations. But of course, this is the end of the video, so I'm going to close all this out, and I got to get going. But keep tuned, like, subscribe, follow all my stuff, and visit the links down below to follow all my pages, social media sites, all that wonderful jazz, just to stay up to tune, and we'll do more coding together, just like always, because why not, right? So keep coding, have fun. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.